In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with GoHighLevel. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your Slack workspace connected so that your team can receive updates and notifications directly inside Slack without having to constantly log into GoHighLevel. Let's start inside your GoHighLevel account. From your main dashboard, head over to the Launchpad area. This is usually where you land when you first log in, and it serves as your central hub for all the key tools and setup options in your account. Make sure you're in the correct location or sub-account where you actually want Slack to be connected, because integrations are usually tied to a specific location. Once you're in the Launchpad, look for the Settings option. This is typically found on the left-hand side menu. Go ahead and click on Settings. The Settings area is where you manage everything behind the scenes for your account, including phone numbers, pipelines, and most importantly for this video, integrations. Inside Settings, find and click on the Integrations tab. This page shows you all of the different apps and services that can connect with GoHighLevel. It's a good idea to quickly scan this page so you get familiar with other tools you might want to connect in the future. But for now, we're focusing on Slack. On the Integrations page, look for the Slack section. Right underneath the Slack logo, you'll see a button that says Connect. Click on that Connect button. This tells GoHighLevel that you want to authorize a connection with your Slack workspace, and it will automatically redirect you to Slack's sign-in and permissions screen. You'll now be taken to a sign-in page on Slack. Here, you'll need to enter your Slack workspace. If you already know your workspace URL or name, type that in. If you are unsure, you can open Slack in another tab and quickly confirm the workspace you use with your team. It's important to choose the correct workspace, especially if you're part of multiple workspaces, so that your notifications go to the right place. Once you've entered your workspace details and confirmed everything looks correct, click on Continue. Slack may ask you to log in or approve permissions for GoHighLevel. Just follow the prompts, review the requested access, and approve the connection. After that, you'll be redirected back to GoHighLevel, and your Slack integration